beautiful besties, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching, I'm Cheraye. Welcome. If you happen to be returning, you are truly appreciated. Thank you so much, and welcome back, besties. Today we're going to be doing a slight different kind of video. We are talking about a hair update. You guys, I was sent over a dryer by TYMO. This is what it looks like, you guys. You know, if you have been following me on Instagram, you know that I am just getting back from Cancun. I was in Vegas. I just been all around the world, right? My hair was not the business. I was like, I have no time to be wondering how it's gonna hold up. I told you what happened when I went to Jamaica. I tried to go with this sleek bundle style bust down. It was not giving. It was not here for that. Every day it just reverted and I looked like whatever. Anyway, so Taimo asked if they could send this dryer over for my review, and I said absolutely, send it over. You guys, I have the notes and all the stuff that I took and all the stuff. You guys, I'm gonna tell you and spill the tea and tell you exactly what it did for me. If you've been here for a while, you know that I am on my hair care journey. I had some burnout, some leave out, some fallout, some whatever. So the heat is not my friend right now. If you want to hear more, please continue to watch. Shout out to TYMO for sponsoring today's video. I truly appreciate you. Here on this channel, I do cover fashion, beauty, luxury, lifestyle, all things. Emphasis on all things fancy and fabulous, darling. So if that is something that you would be interested in, you want to be a part of, stop what you're doing. Drop me your scent of the day, because I still want to know what you're rocking. Also, you guys, if this seems like your vibe or your zhuzh, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Turn on your post notification bells. That way you never miss a video. And if you really want to take it a step further, come on over and say hi on Instagram. Without further ado, we are going to get into this review right now. A quick 2.5. Oh my God. So we were in Cancun, right? And I told you that I had a hair appointment. Something went left. It didn't work out. I was like, okay, it was like a blessing in disguise, because it would have never worked over there. It's humid, it's hot, it was just a lot going on. So if you follow me on Instagram, one day we were hanging out by the pool, and I had my pony in, and I was like, okay, this is cute. Then we decided to get in the water, and it started getting more and more humid. The ponytail started to come loose. I was like, okay, no big deal, because I had my brush, my comb, my gel, everything in the hotel room. So I was like, I'm good to go. I also brought the dryer with me to Vegas as well as to Cancun, because before I came back and ran down the details to you guys, I wanted to try it out for myself. So then we had a spa appointment. Let me just tell you, if you're following me on Instagram, you guys, I put that picture out there. I was like, oh, okay, I'm gonna be cute. I can go in the spa. I went in the cool plunge. I went in the steam room. I went in the red room. I went in the sauna. And when I came out, I'm gonna pop a picture right here. This is what it was giving, okay? This is what it was giving. So I get back to the hotel room. I'm washing my hair. It was still looking like bufanda, like what in the world? And I was like, oh my gosh, I gotta tame this and get this back in order. That is where TYMO came to the rescue. This is the dryer here, you guys. It is such an amazing dryer. Let me just say that. And you might be like, girl, why? First of all, it was small enough to fit in my suitcase. It's lightweight, it's compact, it is so easy to use. These are all the claims they were saying. You know, it's lightweight, it has 3 different speeds, you can get cool, you can get warm, you know, you don't have to worry about heat damage. This is all the stuff I was reading on it because she did her research. And I was like, okay, well, let me see my own experience. I'm one of those girls that I've got to try it for myself. I know what the hype is, but let me see what it does for me. So I'm in there shampooing my hair. I go ahead and start sectioning my hair off. And I was like, okay, now this is supposed to make the hair process really fast when you're blow drying it. It's supposed to get it done in half a fraction of the time. To be honest with you, I'm not the kind of girl who likes to do her own hair. That's just not my thing. But you know, right now it's not the thing, because I'm trying to do no heat. Hence the ponytail, hence the bandanas I've been wearing. I just said for the rest of the summer, I'm doing no heat on my hair. I'm giving my hair a break. So TYMO, thank you so much for reaching out, because this came at the perfect time. Your hair is at its most fragile state when it's wet. So I don't like my hair to be wet and damp and, you know, anything like that for long periods of time. I like to put a nice, you know, heat protectant on and get the drying process starting. Normally, I don't even use a blow dryer. Sometimes I just plait my hair up or braid it, whatever you want to call it, air dry it and let it go for the next morning, slick it down with some gel, and the pony is back in. But this time I said, okay, let's do it a little different, because I'm trying out the dryer. So I took the dryer out. You know, I took some notes and wrote it down because I wanted to bring you the facts. Is it lightweight? It is. Very lightweight. You're not going to get an arm cramp. Your arm's not going to be cramping up, nothing like that. You guys, it's so lightweight, it kind of feels like a toy. It's that lightweight. But wait a minute, just because it's lightweight, that doesn't mean that it's not powerful. This thing right here packs some power, okay? It is called, because you know I'll make up the wrong name, it is called the AIRHYPE LITE. Okay, this is a high-speed air dryer. This is absolutely what you want if you're doing your own hair, if you have children, if you're, whatever you're doing, you want to take it with you, you travel, you got a hairstyle that needs some blow drying and you want to keep the heat off and you want to control the heat, this is the dryer for you. Another thing I wrote down is fast speed. It has a bunch of different temperatures, or 3 I should say. Listen to this. Let's take a quick 2.5. So this is turning it on. You have your on switch here and then you have your off switch so you can turn it on. Do you hear that? It can go cool temperatures, cool, warm, and then it gets hot. I kept mine on low heat because I wanted it, but the power that it packed was amazing. Did it get my hair dry in half the time? I'm gonna be honest with you, it did. I didn't spend a whole lot of time blow drying because I didn't want a lot of heat. I kept it on low heat. I got done really fast. The thing about it is that it does come with a comb. This just pops on and pops off really easily. So you see this like this, you guys. Did you see that? There's no fighting with it, trying to get it to stay on, because I've been there, done that before. This literally goes like that. It also comes with the shaft. In the video, I didn't use a comb because I didn't have it. I used the brush. It worked just as well. I use this right here. This is something else that comes with it. I'm calling this a shaft. That's not the correct name for it, but it pops on and it pops off just like that. It's so easy, so lightweight. Like I said, I packed this up, put it in my suitcase, took it with me, and I was good to go. Lightweight, high speed, temperature control, absolutely, it did all the things that it said it would do. Also, it claimed that it was going to help to reduce frizz. It says that it was going to help to, you know, keep your hair straighter, faster. Your strands were gonna be shinier, healthier, all the different things. I did use this smoothing, nourishing hair oil that they did send over as well. You guys, this stuff right here is really good. It kept my hair shiny. I have it on today. I put this on top of the pony as well, and it really did. One thing I will say about this is that this is lightweight. It's not greasy. It's not like, it has a cute little spout too that I like. So it comes out like this here. It's not really greasy at all. If you can see that here, I'll just rub some here. If you can see that there, it's not greasy at all. It's very lightweight. I put it in my hair. I put it in the pony. It didn't weigh anything down. It didn't make it heavy. It didn't, you know, saturate it too much. It was really good. I put this and applied this in my hair before I even blow dried it. I put this in wet and I put it in dry. And I will say that I really do like this. It's lightweight. It has a slight smell to it, but nothing really. I mean, you don't have to really get in to sniff it, to smell it. It's very, very light, but it smells very pleasant. It smells like you're getting your hair done at the, you know, fancy hair shop. So yes, I do love this. Taimo, thank you for sending this over. This is good. I love this. I love that it comes with a comb. They have other applicators on the website. If you were to go over there, they have a diffuser, which I want to get. Now, you see that I am wearing a ponytail. I didn't want to straighten my hair. I did not want to use a flat iron, anything like that. Hence, that's why I'm keeping the heat off of it. So what I did do, and I'll tell you how this TYMO AIRHYPE dryer LITE came in handy again. I put on, what is the proper name for this stuff? I don't know, like paper tape, you guys, to select the perimeter, secure the edges. I like it to get really dry. So the thing that I loved about this is that I put the paper on, tied it around, and then I went in with the dryer and I went ahead and just held it here like this, just like I'm doing in the video here. I held it there like that and it dried the whole perimeter of the hair. And I loved it because I was able to put it on a cooler heat, a lower setting, and I didn't have to worry about it damaging my hair or leaving heat damage, anything like that. I was able to just circle it around. And because it has such a powerful speed in there, it did not make it where you had to leave it on for long periods of time. So I will say that it did dry it in a fraction of the time that my other dryer does when I do it, because it is a lot more powerful. And I share with you how powerful it was when you hear it come on, and then when you hear it come on, and then you can control. Oh, I can't talk, you guys. I can't talk and have this on. I'm so excited because it's true. I love when brands send me something to review and I have an amazing experience with it. And it really does work. It really does do the claims that they say that it's supposed to do. I get very, very excited because you know I don't gatekeep over here. So as soon as I find it out and I find it to be true, I'm running it back to you. I believe they gave me a discount code. All the information is gonna be in the description box below. If you are tired of having your arms hurting, even though it's a good muscle workout. But if you're tired of having your arms hurting, if you're tired of pulling the comb through and seeing your hair break off and seeing heat damage and seeing different things happening in your scalp because it's not drying your scalp properly, I want you to check out this dryer. Don't tell me anything. Just come back and thank me later. Cheraye, thank you. You're welcome. You're welcome. Taimo, thank you for sending this over to me. I absolutely love it. So I will encourage you to check the description box, look down there, see if there are any discount codes. I'm gonna link everything. I might even pop it here if I have one before the video airs. Also, you guys, what else did I want to tell you? Let me see. When you get it, it does come with some papers here that it's gonna tell you all about it. I don't really read directions. I'm sorry, I don't. I'm a figure it out kind of girl, but they do have them in here just in case you want to read the directions, you want more information on them. You can go and look on their Instagram page as well. They have some girls doing some amazing hair over there. Like I said, I did not want my hair bone straight. I did not want to run flat iron back over and over again. I was only slicking it back in the pony, and I really wanted to try it with using the paper that I put on and then to dry it like that to see how it would dry, and it did really, really well. So I am pleased with it. I really love the high-speed airflow. Now it does set, or I was reading and I seen multiple different people say it's compared to a Dyson. It is a fraction of the price. It's like a seventh of the price. I would say that. I don't have a Dyson. I've never used a Dyson, so I cannot say that. However, I can tell you that this right here is good. It did everything that it claimed it would do, and I was very impressed, and I was also very pleased. So, like I stated, if you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. Again, shout out to Taimo for sending this over. I absolutely love it. All I need to do is get the diffuser, and I'll be set. I am a AIRHYPE LITE girl, okay? Yes, I am. It came in clutch, took it on both my vacations, and I will be taking it on more vacations. I've got a few more vacations coming up, so I'm gonna be taking it with me. Thank you guys for coming over to the video today. I truly appreciate you. I will see you beautiful souls in the next one. My scent of the day is Minnie Mouse. It is so good. The raspberry is so refreshing. Don't forget to leave your scent down in the comment section below. And don't forget to check out TYMO. All of the information as well as the discount code will be linked down below. I'll talk to you in the next one. Until next time, you know the drill. Be blessed, stay fit, and definitely stay fabulous, dwellings. Thanks for watching. Bye.